Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your OPPO Reno 15F 5G. First, check the volume levels and settings. Press the volume up button and make sure it reaches maximum. Open the phone app and press volume up again to increase call volume. Then go into settings, check sound and vibration to confirm media volume is at maximum. Call volume can only be adjusted while in a call. Next, clean the speaker grill to remove any dust that might block the sound. Make sure Bluetooth is disabled so audio isn't rerouted to another device. After disabling Bluetooth, restart the phone by pressing power and volume up, then swipe up to restart. As a last resort, update your software. Go to Settings, scroll to System and Update, then click Software Update, and it checks automatically with Wi-Fi. I'm on the latest version, but if you're not, I recommend updating to avoid glitches from previous versions. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.